Trefoil is a graphic form composed of the outline of three overlapping rings used in architecture and Christian symbolism. The term is also applied to other symbols of threefold shape. Architecture, ornamentation. Trefoil is a term in Gothic architecture given to the ornamental foliation or cusping introduced in the heads of window lights, tracery, panellings, etc., in which the centre takes the form of a three-lobed leaf. One of the earliest examples is in the plate tracery at Winchester. The fourfold version of an architectural trefoil is a quatrefoil. A simple trefoil shape in itself can be symbolic of the Trinity, while a trefoil combined with an equilateral triangle was also a moderately common symbol of the Christian Trinity during the late Middle Ages in some parts of Europe. Two forms of this are shown below. A dove, symbolic of the Holy Spirit, is sometimes depicted within the outlined form of the trefoil combined with a triangle. Architectural layout. In architecture and archaeology, trefoil describes a layout or floor plan consisting of three apses in clover-leaf shape, as for example in the megalithic temples of Malta. Particularly in church architecture, such a layout may be called a triconchos. Heraldry. The heraldic trefoil is a stylized clover. It should not be confused with the figure named in French heraldry trèfle, which is a stylized flower with three petals. It differs from the heraldic trefoil in being not slipped. It could be translated as trefoil. Symbols. Symmetrical trefoils are particularly popular as warning symbols. If a box containing hazardous material is moved around and shifted into different positions, it is still easy to recognize the symbol. Easily stenciled symbols are also favored. While the green trefoil is considered by many to be the symbol of Ireland, the harp has much greater officially recognized status. Therefore shamrocks generally do not appear on Irish coins or postage stamps. A trefoil is also part of the logo for Adidas Originals, which also includes the iconic three stripes. Other meanings. A trefoil formation is a cross-sectional arrangement of electrical cables that minimizes electrodynamic forces during fault conditions. Also, the magnetic field of each phase conductor in a three-phase system is negated when the other two-phase conductors are nearby to form a trefoil. See also, trefoil arch, quatrefoil, torus knot, trefoil knot, fleur-de-lis. References are Christian Symbols by Friedrich Rest, pages 17, Online Encyclopedia of Western Signs and Ideograms, Symbol 2451. Symbols.com. 1997 Euro 2006. Retrieved January 5, 2010 The French terms quartefeuille and quintefeuille are translated as quatrefoils and cinquefoils. History of 15/JG 52 inches. Retrieved April 22, 2011 http www.hms Harvard Educom's History of Biohazard Symbol HTM, external links, explanation of Christian symbolism of trefoil.